My dog is my best friend.
My dog is my best friend.
He is very soft and cute.
He's very soft and cute.
He likes to play with me.
He likes to play with me.
He runs fast in the park.
He runs fast in the park.
He wags his tail when he is happy.
He
Wags
in his
his
tail
when he is happy.
happy.
He eats his food quickly.
He eats his food quickly.
He barks when he sees strangers.
He barks when he sees strangers.
He sleeps near me at night.
He sleeps with me at night.
I love to hug my dog.
I love to hug my dog.
My dog makes me very happy.
My dog makes me very happy.
धन्यवाद.